This is a gorgeous 219-piece doodle alphabet cutouts bulletin board set I was sent to review, so let me show you a closer look. So much in this set. I don't even know the best way to show all of these. I'm gonna start laying them out on the table and we'll take a closer look. All right, here is everything laid out. You've got 70 uppercase letters, 87 lowercase letters, 2 sets of 1 through 9 numbers, plus some circles, which could be zeros and O's. I'm not really sure which they were. So you've got 20 numbers. Let's say that, I don't know which ones are zeros. We'll just say those are the zeros. I don't know. You've got 42 punctuations and symbols. @ sign, hashtag, number signs, a bunch of hyphens, circles, which could be periods or together exclamation points, cents, dollars, exclamation, question mark. Oh my gosh. And really fun colors, really vibrant pink, green, blue, yellow, black, and white. And then they come with a ton of these glue dots. So they're gonna be really easy to just stick a glue dot on the back and then pop it up on your bulletin board. Really fun for teachers. The colors are really vibrant and crisp. They are pre-cut, although some of them have a little bit you can pop out. The cuts are really nice and crisp. It's a really thick, nice cardstock. I'm told they do have a waterproof and fade-resistant coating. And the designs within each of them are just so cute and unique. You've got like a leopard print, stars, checkerboard dots, just really, really cute and vibrant. Gonna really stand out, be eye-catching for students and everyone. Blank on the back so you could take notes or whatever. Oh my goodness, really great set.